Hello, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Are you ready to draw a beautiful house scene today? Let's start drawing together.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Let's draw the roof of the house. Make a nice triangle shape on the top. Great job! Now draw the main house shape under the roof. Draw a door in the middle. Draw 2 windows, one on each side. On top of the house, draw another small house. Now draw a chimney on the roof. Add 1 window. So cute! Now draw a rectangle base under the house. On the right side, draw a big apple tree. Add a thick trunk and a round top. Draw some apples.
La da 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 dee.
Now draw another apple tree on the left side. Don't forget the apples. Now draw the land under the house. Add a road coming from the house. Nice and neat. Finally, draw a sun on top of the house. Add some sun rays. Beautiful! Nice job, everyone! Our house scene drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome! Isn't it amazing?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Brown color.
La da 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 dee.
Sea green color. Maroon color. Wow, so colorful and beautiful. Awesome work today, little artists. If you enjoyed drawing with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next fun drawing lesson.
Yay!
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.